How to update Security Intelligence Definition version in Windows 10. Digital threats are constantly evolving, so Microsoft Defender uses virus definition updates to detect the latest risks. Keeping these updates current helps your system stay secure and running at its best. In this video, we'll walk you through how to install the latest Security Intelligence update for Microsoft Defender Antivirus in Windows 10. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. A guide to Microsoft Defender security definitions. Security definitions give Microsoft Defender the latest info on new threats, helping it detect and block malware effectively. Without regular updates, Microsoft Defender may fail to recognize newer threats, leaving your device vulnerable. Keeping security definitions up to date helps Microsoft Defender stay effective against evolving threats like malware, trojans, and viruses, reduces system vulnerabilities, and enhances real-time protection against cyber attacks. How to update Microsoft Defender security definitions. Before starting any updates, you should first check whether your Microsoft Defender security definitions are up to date. To do so, open Windows Security, then go to Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down to the Virus and Threat Protection updates and check the last update date. There are several ways to update Microsoft Defender security definitions, whether you're online, offline, or prefer using built-in tools. In this section, we'll outline how to update Microsoft Defender security definitions using the Windows Security Settings, Windows Update, Command Prompt, and manual downloads. Method 1. Using Windows Security. Open the Start menu, search for Windows Security, and open it. Click Virus and Threat Protection in the sidebar. Scroll to the Virus and Threat Protection Updates section. Select Check for Updates. Windows will automatically check for and install the latest security definitions. Method 2. Using Windows Update. Press Windows plus I to open Settings. Navigate to Update and Security, then Windows Update. Click Check for Updates. If a Microsoft Defender update is available, it will download and install automatically. Method 3. Using Command Prompt. Open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Enter this command. Press Enter and wait for the update to finish. Restart your PC if prompted. Method 4. Using manual downloads. Visit the Microsoft Security Intelligence website. Download the update package that matches your Windows version, 32-bit or 64-bit. Transfer the file to your offline PC using a USB drive. Run the installer to apply the update. Restart your PC if needed. Microsoft Defender plays a key role in protecting your device by detecting and blocking viruses, malware, and other security threats in real time. While keeping track of updates may seem monotonous, the protection you get is well worth it. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to update Security Intelligence Definition versions in Windows 10, linked in the description below.